Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Jimbans TV. So guys, for today's video guys is tuturuan ko kayo guys paano bumili ng load at paano bumili ng dito data promos gamit ang Dito app. Okay? So guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano. So keep on watching guys. Okay. So ito guys, click lang natin tong guys tong Dito app. Okay. So, Dito app guys, makikita kayo dito na same registration, buy load, buy data promos, buy app subscription, at marami pang iba. Okay guys, click lang natin guys itong buy load. Okay, sa buy load, so makikita nyo guys yung mga regular load. Okay, meron dito guys na 50 pesos, 3% off. Okay, meron ding 100 pesos load, 3% off na 150 load, worth 145.50 pesos, merong 6% off na 188 pesos pero 200 load. 200 na yung load nila. Okay? So, dito guys, pwede kayong mamili kung anong gusto nyong bilhin na load. Okay? With have percent off. Okay? May mga percent off sila na okay? Na ino-offer dito. Yan guys. Yan. Marami pang yan. Hanggang 1,000 load. Worth 900 pesos. Regular load lang yan guys. Yan. So, kung gusto nyong bumili, kunyari, for example, pumili kayo ng 50 pesos load. 50 load. Worth 48.50 pesos. Okay? After nyan guys, select nyo lang yung payment method. Yan. Once na ganyan, select nyo lang guys yung payment method. Yan. Yan. Pwede na kayo guys mamili kung anong gamit nyong pambayad. For example, yung debit card nyo, GCash, GrabPay, PayMaya, ShopeePay, yan, pwede na mamili. Pwede sila dyan guys, okay? Mga available yan na e-wallet na pwede nyo pambayad, okay? And after nyo, pag-click nyo yan, for example, GCash, pwede nyo na siya guys na i-proceed. Click nyo lang yung sample GCash, click nyo lang guys yung proceed. Yan guys, yung amount pay na 48.50 pesos, okay? Yan guys, makikita nyo guys yung 3% off na kaltas na yan guys. Okay? Tapos meron pa kayo guys na earn na 1.45 dito points. Okay? Yung points na yan guys, pwede nyo gamitin yung pambayad. Okay? Meron yan pang points na para at least pwede kayong pambayad ninyo once na bumili ulit kayo ng load. Naiipon lang yan guys every time na bumibili kayo ng load. Okay? Yan ang pwede nyong gamitin pambayad nyo. Okay? Mga points na yan. Okay? Once nyan, click nyo lang guys yung proceed. Okay? Bako lang to guys. Yan. Tapos guys, ito pala guys. Yan guys yung sinasabi kong your Dito points. Yan. Makikita nyo guys yung mga Dito points. Yan, 6 pesos. So, meron na akong available load balance na 9 pesos. Yan, your load balance. Okay? Yan, valid until June 3, 2026. May Dito points na akong 6.40. Kasi bumili ako ng load before. Okay. So, dito guys, sa buy data promos naman. Sa buy data promos guys, yung mga data. Gusto nyo bumili ng data. Okay? So, gusto nyo mag-avail, meron dito guys na 5 gig all access data valid for 7 days for 50 pesos. Okay? Meron din tayo dyan na 3 gig na 30 pesos. Okay? All access data na yan guys. Meron din na 2 gig na data worth 20 pesos. At meron din dito na 500 MB na 10 pesos. Valid for 1 day. Marami dito guys na offer din sila. Yung dito, meron din kayo na 7 gig all access data, 9 gig. Yan, meron ding level up, 108 gig all access call and text, 109 pesos, 10 gig. At marami pang iba. Meron dito guys na see all offers. Nakita natin. Yan guys, oh. May 120 gig all access data worth 999 pesos. Valid for 30 days for almost 1 month. Okay? Yan guys, pwede kayo mamili ng access data na gusto nyong bilhin or okay? So, sa akin guys, marami pa yung iba guys. May only 5G pa, level up, Auto-pay, Super Saver. Okay? So, sa akin guys, pipiliin ko muna dito guys, yung 2 gig. 2 gig all access data. Yan, worth 20 pesos. Valid for 1 day. Okay? So, click ko lang guys itong 2 gig all access data. Buy now ko lang yan. You're about to buy new data packet 20 pesos. Yung number and then yung select payment method. Take note guys, kindly verify all details are correct. Once processed, this transaction is irreversible. Okay? So, hindi na may babalik. Okay, so select payment method lang natin guys. Yan. Katulad din ng regular load, meron dito na debit card, GCash, GrabPay, Maya, at marami pang iba. So, sa akin guys, click ko lang guys itong Maya. Diyan ako magbabayad. Okay? Gamit kong e-wallet na Maya. Kung meron kayong promo code, pwede nyo din i-apply. So, ito, valid for 1 day, 20 pesos. Amount is 20 pesos. Click ko lang guys itong proceed. Maya, proceed. Yan. You'll given 5 minutes to finish your payment transaction through our payment partners. Okay, pay now. Payment. Okay. So, after nyan guys, enter ko lang. Yan guys, meron dito guys na review purchase details. Available balance ko is 25.26 dito. Okay, dito and telecommunity and about you is 20 pesos. Confirm to pay. Yan. Sabi dito, purchase successful. Yan, naka-receive na rin ako ng text. Yan, naka-receive na rin ako ng text from dito. Yan. Okay, naka-receive na rin ako ng text. Yan, may rewards na ulit ako na 0.60 pesos. 60, okay? Yan, ganun lang guys kadali guys kung paano bumili ng dito data. Okay? Promos nila. Yan, pag binak to home ko yan guys. Yan, nadagdagan guys yung dito points ko. So, napansin nyo guys, yung ano ko dito, available ko na data is 2 gig na. Okay, so guys, makikita nyo guys dito yung available data nyo. Okay? Naging 2 gig na siya. Okay? So, yun lang guys kung paano bumili ng dito load and buy data promos nila. Okay? So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click all notification bell button para updated lahat kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless. Stay safe and bye-bye.